Stretching is often overlooked in fitness routines, yet it plays a vital role in injury prevention. Many individuals jump straight into intense workouts, neglecting the importance of preparing their muscles and joints for activity. This oversight can lead to stress on the body, increasing the risk of strains and sprains. By incorporating a consistent stretching routine into your regimen, you set the stage for safety and resilience. One of the primary benefits of stretching is improved flexibility. Flexibility allows the muscles to stretch more easily, reducing the chance of injury. When muscles are flexible, they can withstand the forces exerted on them during physical activity without tearing or becoming overused. Dynamic stretching before a workout warms up the muscles, enhancing their elasticity and preparing them for action. This preparatory phase is crucial, as it gradually increases the heart rate and blood flow to the muscles, priming them for performance. In addition to flexibility, stretching also improves the range of motion in joints. Enhanced flexibility in joints allows for smoother and more efficient movement patterns. By regularly stretching, you maintain joint health, preventing stiffness that often leads to injury. For example, individuals engaged in sports that require quick directional changes benefit immensely from stretching their hip and ankle joints, which can help avert common injuries like ankle sprains. Another significant aspect of stretching is its ability to alleviate muscle tension. Through targeted stretching, tight muscles can be relaxed, which in turn reduces muscle soreness and facilitates quicker recovery post-exercise. This relaxation helps to maintain a balance within the muscle tendon units, allowing for efficient movements that minimize the chances of injury. When muscles function optimally without undue tension, the likelihood of acute injuries is dramatically reduced. Finally, incorporating stretching into your routine fosters body awareness. As you perform various stretches, you develop a deeper understanding of your body's limits and capabilities. This heightened awareness promotes safer movement patterns and encourages the recognition of any discomfort or tightness before it escalates into an injury. By tuning into your body, you can take proactive steps to adjust your workouts accordingly. In conclusion, the integration of stretching into your fitness plan is invaluable for preventing injuries. With benefits like improved flexibility, increased range of motion, reduced muscle tension, and greater body awareness, stretching equips you with the tools necessary to safeguard your physical activity. Take the time to stretch and prepare your body. Your future self will thank you. Stretching is often an overlooked aspect of physical wellness, yet it plays a critical role in injury prevention. By incorporating regular stretching into your routine, you can enhance your flexibility and muscle elasticity, ultimately promoting a greater range of motion. This flexibility allows your muscles and joints to function harmoniously, reducing the strain during physical activities and minimizing the risk of injuries such as strains or sprains. When muscles are stiff and inflexible, the risk of injury increases significantly. Stretching effectively warms up the muscles, preparing them for the demands of physical activity. A dynamic stretching routine before exercising can help to increase blood flow, elevate muscle temperature, and prepare the body for the forthcoming challenges. Engaging in stretches that mimic the movements of your intended exercise can further enhance performance and prepare your body, ensuring you are poised for success. Incorporating both static and dynamic stretches into your routine offers comprehensive support for injury prevention. Static stretching, where a muscle is held in a lengthened position for a period, helps improve overall flexibility after a workout. Conversely, dynamic stretches involve controlled movements that gently take you through the range of motion, which can activate and stabilize the muscles needed for vigorous activities. Regularly practicing both types of stretching cultivates a well-rounded workout routine that not only keeps injuries at bay, but also contributes to improved overall athletic performance. Furthermore, stretching can also alleviate muscle tension and soreness that could otherwise lead to injury. Properly stretched muscles are less likely to become tight and fatigued over time, which can cause one to use improper form during movement, thus heightening injury risk. By maintaining loose and flexible muscles, your body can adapt better during sudden movements or unexpected scenarios, like a slip or fall. Finally, understanding your body's limits through stretching helps you identify areas that may need special attention. This awareness enables you to tailor your stretching routine, focusing on muscles that feel particularly tight or prone to discomfort. By consistently evaluating your body's responses, you can prevent repetitive stress injuries, ensuring a healthier, more resilient physique. Therefore, integrating a well-structured stretching routine is paramount in building a strong foundation for injury-free living.